From some comments in my previous video, and also from comments I've seen elsewhere on the internet, it seems as if there's quite a lot of confusion about what the GPS module does in the 70mi Pro. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what it does, and I'm going to show you some actual footage of the GPS enabled features in action. Firstly, I'll tell you what it doesn't do. It doesn't show the latitude and longitude coordinates on the screen or on the video. I was hoping it did, but I didn't do my research properly and I was a little bit disappointed. Secondly, it doesn't show you the speed, and from some comments I saw in my previous video, that would appear to be a deal breaker for many people. Thirdly, if you can't see anything on the screen or the video, how do you even know that the GPS module is working? And that's actually quite easy. This is the 70mi Pro without the GPS module attached. When you do use the GPS module, that is the part that actually sticks to the windscreen. So my GPS module is now stuck to my windscreen. If you don't use the GPS module, they provide this little mounting plate which just clips in here, and you use this adhesive to secure it. The only thing the GPS module does is to enable the ADAS features, the Advanced Driver Assistance System. So the way to check whether it's attached and working is to go into the menu, then go down to Advanced Settings, then to go down to ADAS and attempt to enable it. And because our GPS module isn't attached, we can't enable it. GPS module not detected, please enable the ADAS function after connecting the ADAS. So if you try to do that and you can enable the ADAS, that means that your GPS module is attached and working. I've now put the dash cam back in the car and reconnected the GPS module, and it's going to be a lot easier for me to demonstrate what's happening using the smartphone app. This is easy to use. You just go into the menu system on the dash cam, turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, change your Wi-Fi setting on your phone to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot, and then go into the 70mi app. As hopefully you can see, the ADAS is disabled, so we're going to go in and enable it. Right, it's now enabled, and it gives us some more options. And there's an ADAS warning page. And the ADAS actually consists of three features: car ahead move, lane deviation, and car ahead move alert. And I'm going to be explaining all of these things in due course. And from this menu you can see that all those features are enabled. When you turn on ADAS for the first time, the unit goes into a self-calibration mode. You don't need to do anything apart from driving the car at least 20 kilometers an hour along a road that has clear lines in good light. And it takes about 5 to 8 minutes. When it's completed successfully, you'll see a little white arrow in a green circle at the top of the screen. That just shows you that calibration is successful and ADAS is working. So what does ADAS do? If you're sitting stationary in traffic and you've fallen asleep, or you're putting on your makeup or something, and the car ahead moves, it will tell you that the car ahead has moved.
Motion detected for the vehicle ahead. Motion detected for the vehicle ahead.
Secondly, if the ADAS unit detects a nearby vehicle ahead, it will warn you against a possible front collision.
Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Be aware of the vehicle ahead.
Finally, it warns you if you move from one lane to another.
Lane departure. Lane departure.
That was a quick summary of the three ADAS features that are available with the GPS module. It's not particularly expensive, it only cost me about $15 US, but you'll have to decide whether it's worthwhile for you personally. For me personally, it's not worthwhile. Where I live in Thailand, the roads are the second most dangerous in the world. It's impossible to relax when you're driving, and all the time you're driving, you need to use 100% concentration. You see things on Thai roads that you won't see anywhere else. When I had a German friend come to visit and he saw what happens on Thai roads, his remark was that in Germany you'll be thrown in jail for doing that. He was absolutely right. What would be considered serious offences in other countries are just normal in Thailand, and no action is taken against drivers. If I could relax while driving in Thailand, the ADAS features might be useful, but I can't. I have to drive with a very high level of concentration. For this reason, I'm very aware when I'm changing lane, I'm very aware when cars are moving ahead of me in traffic, and I'm very aware when there's a possibility of a frontal collision. Therefore, the ADAS features don't really help me. I hope this short video has been useful describing the 70mi Pro GPS and ADAS features. If so, please subscribe to my channel and please come back soon to watch more videos.